Hello, dear friends. Hello, once again, and good morning to all of you. So, friend, this is my eighth class in your class, and since last Monday, we have been studying and learning several lessons on different topics as prescribed uh, to us from the syllabus. Dear friend, there are certain topics like listening skills, writing skills, and reading skills, and vocabulary. So, out of those skills and competencies, we have one more lesson today, and the topic of today's lesson is writing skills. So, uh, I shall have a detailed exercise also on this topic afterwards, and I shall post that on our WhatsApp group, as well as I shall send it on the YouTube link also, and you can then collect and solve all the exercise and send to me either on our WhatsApp group or on my personal group. So here once again we are ready with a new topic, writing skills or writing competencies. Yes, look at this innocent boy, a wonderful boy, a school going boy. He was trying to write something, dear friends. So whenever all you, me, and we have been to school, elementary education, primary education, then middle school, and all. And there are some basic aspects of learning: reading, then writing, listening, and all. So, for these skills, to have these skills, there are certain techniques, there are certain methods that our teacher used to teach us. So this boy is actually doing the same thing. He was having some lessons in writing from his teacher. So writing skills. What are writing skills? The purpose of writing, we will see the purpose of writing, how to improve writing skills, the process of writing, types of composition, and analysis of writing skills. So dear friends, writing is a way to explain, to educate, inform, entertain one's natural and social behavior. All non-verbal communications are expressed formally or informally through writing. It can be through letters, it can be through memos, it can be through notices, and we have our great epics with us in writing. So writing is a way to explain, educate, inform, entertain, and to entertain one's natural and social behavior. We write something to communicate with others our feelings or message by using apt words and appropriate vocabulary. The method we use to communicate with others in writing form is nothing but our own writing skill. Some people are natural in writing, some learn to write. Each academician, each teacher, each student, each worker, each office going person, those who are related to writing communication, they have to write something or the other. The method we use to communicate with others is nothing but our writing style. Some people are natural in writing, some learn to write. To be natural in writing, someone needs to have good knowledge, experience about the subject they are dealing with. So, writing skills are an essential element of communication. Excellent writing skills enable you to communicate your message with precision, correctness. Precision means exactness. Correctness and exactness, efficiency and accuracy. It is very important in drafting letters, emails, memos, reports, statements, announcements, observations, records. E is left there. I am sorry. Records, documents, etc. Writing a diary, writing personal letters, writing messages, writing emails, writing WhatsApp messages. Everything is related to writing. All of these need excellent writing abilities so that people are capable to communicate their opinions, thoughts, findings and ideas along with their feelings effectively with you. Students who learn to write a complete sentence at a young age are more likely to apply that knowledge and developing skills into writing complete paragraphs as their age. Mastering writing at an early age is associated with higher outcomes on standardized testing and overall performance in school. This is some sort of technical term also, my dear friends. While there are countless benefits of having strong writing skills, it is a field that needs actual teaching and training in this regard. You might have observed, dear friends, uh, in your elementary schools, teachers used to take the pen to your hand and actually write the words and teach you. So, reading and writing may be looked at as fundamental skills within the classroom, but their use remains essential long after one's formal education comes to an end. Living in the digital age has made literacy even more important, as communicating professionally via writing is important skill in most workplaces. So writing skill is nowadays a key factor to get a job, to work not only in an educational institution but also at a workplace, call centers, engineering institutions, medical fields. Everywhere you need to know the basic terms of writing. So why is writing important? This is necessary to know. Writing is an essential job skill, dear friends. For to get a job, you need to know writing skills. Writing is the primary basis upon which one's work, learning, and intellect is judged. Third one is writing makes our thinking and learning visible and permanent. And fourth one is writing preserves our ideas and memories. Through writing diaries, writing letters, writing documents, we can preserve our ideas and memories. So each field, dear friend, this particular picture I have taken I take for you, I have for you. You see everything, if you are digital, if you are technically sound in writing, everything is related to writing through computers, through laptops, through tablets. and everything, every each written communication can be done through writing skills only. So what are the effective writings? Developing good reading strategies. Yes, you need to know everything, so you should be a good reader if you want to be a good writer. Next, creating powerful presentations. By writing skills, you can create powerful presentations by new words, new vocabulary, proverbs, new ideas, and so on. It also includes your tone of writing, punctuation, grammar, spelling, everything you need to know. Organizing your thoughts, structuring paragraphs and sentences, writing to keep the reader engaged, softening a negative message also. All this can be possible only through effective writing, dear friends. So, these are the things we have learnt today about writing. We will have one more class regarding this.